Chase My Plan, also known as Pay Over Time, does not increase your available credit. It's a feature that lets you convert eligible purchases into fixed, interest-free monthly payments. While it helps manage payments, the full purchase amount is immediately deducted from your existing credit line, reducing your available credit. Think of it as a structured repayment plan, not an increase in borrowing power. To use Chase My Plan effectively, start by monitoring your credit utilization. Since the full purchase amount immediately counts against your credit limit, keeping utilization low helps maintain a good credit score. Make timely payments to avoid late fees, which can reach up to $39 per late payment. Consider using My Plan for larger planned purchases to avoid accumulating high-interest debt elsewhere. Be mindful of the impact on your available credit and overall financial health. High utilization can negatively affect your credit score. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 plans per month to keep utilization in check. Combine My Plan use with other credit-building habits, like paying your statement balance in full each month.